If normally you are not able to perform the action on any particular web element in your page, so in that case you can use the JavaScript executor for that. Either it is a selection of a drop down or clicking on a button, only the script will be changed. So this is an JavaScript which is we are getting used to perform the particular action. So if you want to click on a button, in that case you have to use argument 0 dot click. If you want to select some drop down value, the syntax, the JavaScript will be changed here, but the format will be same. First you have to create a JavaScript executor object, and then you have to write down variable name dot execute script, and you have to pass the script and you have to pass the argument. So in argument it will take the web element for you. So script is JavaScript and argument is the optional also, and sometimes it is mandatory for like a button if you want to click on that. Let's see it practically. So that this website na, so you can do the same website practice on the same website. This is having a lots of example, so you can see and do the practice here. Like if you want to see the form, so you can fill this form. You can try to enter first name, last name, email address, click button and all. Similar way it is having some login portal, button click, to-do list, right? Acrobat drop down checkbox, radio button, ajax action, scrolling around, pop-up alerts. Every type of example it is showing. It is there that you can do the practice on that. Okay.
Sure, Rahul.
Uh, yeah. So this is there. Now let's create one class inside the same package class, and we will give the name as a JavaScript executor, and we will include the main method, and we click on finish, and inside that we'll copy this same line of the code which we require, and it will throw the exception, so that we have to handle with our method like a throws interrupted exception. And after that the same thing, we have to copy this line of a code, JavaScript executor. We have to import it from the Selenium, and we have to find out one object to where we want to perform the action on that button. Suppose I want to perform the action on a contact us, and it is normally not clicking for me. So let's copy this URL, that this URL I want to open in my application first of all, and after that we have to locate this element, right? Contact us. So title is fine, but title can be different, section title can be different, right? There are multiple section title. Login also section title, contact also section title, right? So it's better to find the XPath with the help of a text. H1 text equal to like this. Control A and C. So we will store in a variable driver dot find element pi dot xpath. We are using the xpath here, right? In the last we will put some semicolon, will store in the web element. And this web element is a class. We will import it from the Selenium. After that, normal way is if we can directly use here dot click method. If in some cases dot click method will not work for you, so in that case you can execute the script for the same to click on that particular element. So here instead of a button we have a element is, so we will put the element here. Okay, this is the thing. Now let's try to run, see if it is clicking or not.
Here, first argument is constant, right, Rahul, in all the cases?
Arg-
Arguments in zero dot click.
yeah, it will be always argument of 0
Okay.
if you are performing the click operation. So you can see it has clicked on a contact us,
Yes.
right? So sometimes if it don't work, it's like an exceptional. Mostly time it works, but if don't work, we can try to use the direct JavaScript, because JavaScript internally there is a JavaScript executor in the browser itself. So it also interact with the help of a JavaScript only. So in that case, direct we can use the JavaScript. This is the JavaScript for me to click on a element.
Okay, got it. And Rahul, just one more question here. Like, will there be a scenarios like, say, I'm unable to perform click option on the element, okay, using script, but I can do it manually. Will there be any such scenario? In that scenarios, do we use this JavaScript executor?
Yeah, so you are saying manually I can click, but
Yes.
with the help of a dot click,
No, no, I'm not like say, for example, this contact us button we have, okay.
right?
Manually, like say manual tester, he will click on manually on that button and he
Hmm.
will like it will perform some action, okay.
Right.
Yeah, when we are scripting,
Hmm.
we are unable to click on this button using script. Will there be this kind of scenario in real time?
No, no, it will not be there. See, that's why I showed now. If suppose dot click is not working, but
Mm-hmm.
this JavaScript executor will definitely work to click on it. If we are able to perform any action manually, so same we should be able to perform via script also. It is
Okay.
not like that manually it will behave different, and with automation and script it will behave different. No, whatever it is behaving in manual, same should be behave as per the automation as well.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, you will not face any such kind of a thing that it is working manually but it is not working in automation. It will not be like that.
Yeah, I asked because we have this another alternate way to click on to perform click option on the element, right? So
Mm-hmm.
I just thought like, okay, cool, got it.
No, no, it will not be like that. Okay, this is about a JavaScript executor, so that we can use to perform multiple operations on multiple elements. Even